Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss possessive pronoun in nominative case. Possessive pronoun of ish is mine or mine. If the article is there or thus, then it should be mine. And if the subject is feminine or plural, then it should be mine. Let's take some examples. Thus is mine brother. Article is there, their brother. So here we use mine. Next one is thus is meine Schwester. Schwester is the Schwester. So here meine comes. Brother is masculine. So there, and Schwester is feminine. So the. Thus is mein brother means that is my brother, and thus is meine Schwester means that is my sister. And the next one is thus is mein Auto. Auto is neuter, so thus Auto, which means that is my car. Auto is car. And the next one is thus sind meine Bucher, which means these are my books. Bucher is a plural word, so the Bucher. Possessive pronoun of du is thine or thine, which means your. For example, is thus thine brother, which means is that your brother. Brother is a masculine, so here thine comes. Next one is thus thine Schwester, which means is that your sister. Schwester is feminine, so here we use thine. Possessive pronoun of er is sein or seine, which means his. And possessive pronoun of s is again sein or seine, but here it means its. For example, thus is sein brother, which means that is his brother or its brother. Next is thus is seine Schwester, which means that is his sister or its sister. Next one is thus is sein Auto, which means that is my car. Auto is neuter, so we use sein. Next is thus sind seine Bucher, which means these are his books. Bucher is plural, so here we use seine. Possessive pronoun of she is ear or eare, which means her. Examples: thus ist ihr Bruder, thus ist ihre Schwester, thus ist ihr Auto, thus sind ihre Bucher. Bruder is masculine, so we use ear, and Schwester is feminine, so we use ihre. Auto is neuter, so we use ear, and Bucher is plural, so we use eare. Next, we are discussing possessive pronoun of some plural forms. Possessive pronoun of wir is unser or unsere, which means our. Examples: das ist unser Hund, das ist unsere Katze, das ist unser Auto, and finally das ist unsere Kinder. Hund is masculine, so we use unser. Hund means dog. Katze is feminine, so unsere, and Auto is neuter, so unser, and finally Kinder is plural, so we use unsere. Katze is the Katze, which means cat. Possessive pronoun of ear is euer and eure. Here we should focus on the spelling because both of them have different spelling. The letter E and R are interchanging. For example, is thus euer Hund, is thus eure Katze, is thus euer Auto. Finally, sind thus eure Kinder. Hund is masculine, so we use euer. Katze is feminine, so eure. Auto is neuter, so euer. And finally, Kinder is plural, So, oire. Possessive pronoun of third person plural C is ear or eare. Its formation similar to third person singular C. So for this you can check that section. Okay, thank you. Choose.